Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Temu app. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Temu and then log into your account. So let me open up my Temu here and log into my account here already. Okay, so once I've logged in here, so what you're going to do if you're going to use Temu for your ordering and stuff, so what are you going to do? So what you're going to do here is you go to let's say make a purchase, for example, add something to my cart. So I'm going to add something to my cart here, so let me add that. Okay, so once I add it to my cart here, so I'm going to use this. So what I'm going to do, you're going to straight away proceed with the checkout. So once you get to checkout here, next when you get to under payment methods here you should see your Klarna option here. So Klarna option here, so select Klarna. So if you want to use Klarna, just select the Klarna option under payment methods, and please note that this option varies according to your location and region. So only if your region and location supports Klarna, then you'll be able to see these payment methods. So if your region supports, then you should see Klarna options. So simply what you have to do is just select it and then hit on submit order and then complete your order with Klarna. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.